My name is Gareth. I have a small dairy herd on a farm in Wales. The cow's diet is mainly grass, supplemented with concentrate feeds. In the winter, the cows eat silage, which is fermented grass harvested during the summer. The cows are milked twice a day, and the milk is collected by tanker in the morning. I plan to use Kinesis to mint my monthly spending. So when I have sufficient payment from the milk company, I will mint 100 cow. This will then be used to pay for feed concentrates, electricity, diesel, contractors, general maintenance of farms and machinery. I'm hoping in future that some may take direct payment in cow. In the meantime, I'll use the Kinesis debit card to pay some, while for others I'll have to convert to pounds and pay via the bank. Between minting and payment of bills, I will benefit from the holder's yield. Once the full minting has been spent, I will build up a small minter's yield entitlement. Doing this regularly for all my spending will gradually build this minter's yield. I'm looking forward to making Kinesis a key part of my business. Farming is an uncertain business, and the additional monthly income will be a welcome bonus.